I am Captain Dr. Josiah Chalmers, Managing Director, Caverton Helicopters Limited. Caverton Helicopters Limited is the leading air operator servicing the oil and gas industry in the sub-Saharan African region. We have been in operation for over a decade now. We operate in various locations across West Africa. Port Harcourt, Shell, Port Harcourt Nav Base, Warri, Shell, servicing Shell. We operate out of Lagos. We operate out of Cameroon and Douala for Kotko. From the 1st of April 2018, we'll be operating for Chevron out of Escravos in Delta State.
My name is Captain Bello Ibrahim Chafi, Director of Operation Caverton Helicopters. I'm happy to lead a team of professionals from over 20 nations, comprising of pilots and engineers, to run about 19 helicopters for Caverton Helicopters. We are currently in the process of introducing another set of 12 helicopters, which will bring our total aircraft rating to 29 in number. We provide services to international oil companies like Shell, Chevron, Total, and some other national oil companies like Amni, Adax, and a host of others. We also do quite a lot of ad hoc charters. We monitor our assets in real time. We have the Skytrack system, which allows us to view all our assets wherever they are in the Niger Delta and also across our operations in Douala, Cameroon.
My name is Kofu Makoli. I'm the head of quality of all Caverton Helicopters. At Caverton, we pride ourselves in ensuring that we have good quality aircraft which matches its documentation. An aircraft is only airworthy, considered airworthy, if its documents and the physical aircraft are one and the same.
Spares is a major issue within any operation. Caverton Helicopters has over $8 million worth of spares at any one time in any of the bases, as well as over $3 million worth of tooling. This ensures that whenever an aircraft becomes unserviceable, we have adequate spares on site to turn around the aircraft in as quickly as possible. Our latest project is the MRO facility in Ikeja. This will be part of the COSG group, the subsidiary of the COSG group. This will enable us to provide line and base maintenance facilities for fixed wing and rotary wing aircraft other than Caverton Helicopters. We have partnerships with Honeywell, Bell, Pratt & Whitney for this MRO facility.
Here at Caverton Helicopter, one of the things that make us quite proud and happy is the issue of national content development. When I joined the industry, it was a case of a ratio of 3 expatriate pilots to 1 national pilot. And today we stand quite proud to see that the trend has been reversed. We now have a ratio of about 3 national pilots to 1 expatriate pilot in our operation.
At Caverton, training is competence-focused and non-gender biased. This helps us ensure we have the right people on the bus and on the right seat. We're also passionate about local content development. Here we have witnessed the training of ab initio pilots and engineers through the line to management positions over a couple of years.
My name is Captain Otonyo Ibufo Harrison, Base Managing Pilot, Caverton Helicopters, Nigerian Air Force Base Operations in Port Harcourt, River State. I started here in 2011 with barely 300 hours. Grown today to captain and eventually base managing pilot of this operation, which has about over 100 people.
Hi, my name is Francisca Onuma. I'm a 139 helicopter pilot with Caverton Helicopters. As we are aware, Caverton supports local content and I'm one of the beneficiaries. So far, it's been a good journey, affording me the opportunity to build my flying experience as a helicopter pilot.
My name is Ruqayya Suleiman. I joined Caverton right from flying school. Caverton is a great supporter of the Nigerian Local Content Act, which I'm a full beneficiary. I have over 1,000 flying hours today on the 139, and the journey has been quite encouraging. I'm proud to be part of the team.
Caverton Helicopters, safety is paramount, and we aim for zero. Zero accidents, zero incidents, zero fatalities. That is what we aim to deliver at Caverton Helicopters each and every day.